Welcome back to eCreativeAid, how to make pasta the Mexican way. First we need to boil 500 grams of pasta. Then strain the pasta. To make the salsa, we need 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Chop 2 tomatoes. One pepper, one medium onion, and add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. To make the taco seasoning, start by putting 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1½ teaspoon of garlic powder, 1½ teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon sea salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and mix well. In a pan, put some oil. Then shred some mozzarella and start sauteing ground beef. Add the salsa. Now add 3/4 cup water and cook it until it's like so. Then add the seasoning. When it thickens, add the pasta. You can add the shredded mozzarella cheese. Once it's done, garnish it with Parmesan cheese and serve it hot. Let me try it. So delicious. You should try it too. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.